Has got touch box, designing gift basket, and gift box for any occasion. All right. Hey there, Deborah. Welcome to the workshop today. So let's check it out. So you're selling some gift boxes, some gift baskets. I like the idea. This is a very cute idea. And Etsy is such a great platform for gifts anyways. People love to shop for presents, for gifts. And so you're totally in the right spot. I worked on titles, but don't get review. Okay. So let's see here. You've got 7 sales. It says you got a review. You got 1 review. So that's not bad. But usually you want to try and get like 1 review for every, ideally you would want to try and get 1 review for every 5 sales or so. So 1 out of 7. What you could do is you could go up into your shop and pull up that order and pull up all of those orders and send them a little message and just ask them if they could leave you a review, because you're a new seller, and just kind of explain to them, hey, I'm a new Etsy seller. A review would really help me out. It would really make a big impact on me. So if you liked what I did and you like the product, please leave me a review. It'd really help out. But let's check it out right here. If we go over to the templates, we actually have a template for you. Where is it? Our review maximizer thank you note template. So this template right here is a great little template that you could use. And what I always recommend is that you actually hand write this and put it in all of your outbound shipments. Oh, you meant views. Okay, no worries. But you can also just take this little message template here and send it straight out to people in the messages section. But let's check it out. So you change the titles. We've got 32 items, which is pretty good. Let's check this one out here. So we've got gift for her, tea lovers gift box for mom, birthday gift basket, thinking of you. Okay. So what could we do to help you get some more sales on this product here? So if we scroll down here, I see right here, this was listed on April 18th. So what that is going to do, it's hard to get ranked at the top of the search results if your listing is a little bit older. So you want your listing to be, you want it to be refreshed. So let me kind of show you what I mean by this. Let's check out this keyword right here. So this is your keyword, gift for her, which I will say is kind of a large keyword. So I think you're going to struggle to get ranked for this keyword in the first place. And so this keyword it's just really, really competitive. And you've got 5.7 million results right here. So ideally, you want to be looking for keywords that are within the sweet spot results range. Let's do sweet spot results range. Okay. So the sweet spot is kind of between 1,000 and 10,000 results. A keyword like this one with 5.7 million is such a giant keyword. There's so many people using that keywords. There's so many products. There's so much competition that you're going to have a really difficult time to get your product ranked for that keyword. Okay. So what would be better would first to kind of go in and look and try and find some keywords that are a little bit smaller. Now let's check this one out. Tea lovers gift box. I think this one actually could be a little bit, probably a lot better for you. There we go. 2,402 results. So that's what I would say is right within that sweet spot range. Okay. So this one's got 2,402. So that's perfect. That keyword should be your first keyword on this product because it's relevant. It's tea lovers, which is uber relevant to your product. And, and it's not too competitive, 2,402 results. Okay. Now we got Karen over here with the keyword help. I always love this, Karen. I appreciate it. So Karen's got another one here, tea gift box set. And she said this one has 4,802 or something like that, 4,800 results. So that's also a really good keyword that you could go ahead and target. Well, let's check it out. Let's search that one over here. And what I would really recommend is that you try and find 5 keywords that are kind of within that range, between 1,000 and 10,000. I will review your shop today, and we'll get to it in just a couple minutes here. No worries. So I would try and aim for keywords. So this is actually a little bit bigger in the United States. This is 12,458. 12,458, which is still, it's a little larger, but it's still really, really good. So my suggestion for you would be to change up the keywords and try to find 5 keywords that are within this range here. So even this one, like gift box for mom, this is a good keyword, but I feel like it's still kind of large. Yeah, 133,000 results. So it's a fine keyword as your like third keyword or something like that. But I would go with these ones: tea lovers gift box, tea gift box set, and that could be your first 2 keywords on this one. Okay. Now the second thing that I would recommend is you got to renew your listings. So if we look up one of these keywords here, let's look up tea gift box set. Okay. And we're going to pull up these first listings right here, and not the ads because the ads don't count, but we're going to pull up these first 4 organically ranked listings. And what we're going to find when we scroll down to the bottom of these is most of them are going to have a pretty fresh publication date. So you can see this one right here listed on June 3rd, 2022. And this listing has 553 favorites. So obviously it's not a new listing. They're just renewing it. And the reason they renew it is Etsy likes, Etsy gives the newest listings more attention, and you're more likely going to stay ranked at the top of the search results. So that one is, they renewed that today. So it's super fresh. Let's check out this one right here. June 2nd. So that one is from yesterday. Let's check out this one. And this one is June 2nd. So that one's also yesterday. And you can see this listing's got 400 favorites. It's a bestseller. So why would they renew it? Well, they renew it because renewing your listings gets you ranked at the top of the search results. It's just a fact. This is one of the simplest things that I did when I took my Etsy shop from like a few $100s a month to thousands. Was I went in and started renewing my listings like crazy. I literally renewed every listing in my shop like 10 times a day. No, that's an exaggeration. Like maybe once a week, so 4 or 5 times a day. And that will just shoot your listings up in the search results and start to get a lot more traffic. So that's what I would recommend for you there. I would highly suggest renewing your listings because this one here, April 18th, the reason you're not getting any views on it is if your listing is from April 18th, it's just not going to get much traffic unless you're in a space that has really, really low competition. But as you saw right here, these 4 products were all renewed either today or yesterday. So if you haven't renewed since April 18th, that's like 45 days. You're not going to get any traffic at all from the search results. So Sanaz asked, is it good to use Etsy ads? Etsy ads are hit and miss. I've seen some people get really good results with Etsy ads, but I've never, for me personally, I've always found that all the money I spent on Etsy ads was like uber expensive. Like I'd spend $75 and I'd make like $100 in sales. So it really wasn't worth it. Instead of spending money on Etsy ads, renew your listings. You'll get way better results. You'll be able to get ranked at the top and you'll be able to get a lot more search traffic. So those are the 2 suggestions there. And let's go back up. The one last suggestion that I would recommend, let's look at this one here. So I like this nice little video there. Now, the one other thing I would recommend, I would really like to see pictures, a few more pictures. So I would love to see a photo of each of the things individually. So I'd love to see a photo. I think this is a sponge, but it's hard to really tell. I would love to see a photo of the tea, of the little fruit that you have here, of this candle, this flower, this mug. I would also like to see a photo of the tea box opened so I can actually see what the tea looks like. That would be really nice to see. So I would recommend that you take each of these items out of the box, you set them here and you take a photo of it, because the more photos you have, the better. You can never do too many photos. Ah, that's a bath bomb. Okay, I did not realize that was a bath bomb. There we go. Okay, so it says right there. And brie cheese? How do you put brie cheese in this thing if you're mailing it to them? That's wild. I don't know how that works. I don't know how you do brie cheese. Is that really brie cheese? You actually have brie cheese in there? I'm so confused. I didn't know you could mail brie cheese. Let's see here. Anita, is it good to use Instagram ads? Yeah, I mean, Instagram ads can work. again, it's going to be a lot more expensive. Instagram ads can work, but they're very tricky to get right. It's very, very difficult to get a return on your investment. So it's just a skill that can be, you can learn it, but it's not an easy one. And I would suggest spending more time focusing on keywords, renewing your listings, and good photos versus spending money on Instagram ads, because they can be really tricky.